3 firefighting agencies are on the scene, including 7 air tankers and 5 helicopters.
We have live News 4 Sierra Fire Team coverage with Sarah Johns looking into evacuations. Sierra Storm Team forecaster Amanda Sanchez monitoring the weather. But first, we want to start with Victoria Campbell, who has been at the fire all day and actually had a close call herself when the fire blew out of control. Vicki?
Joe and Renee, a thick cloud of smoke and ash has descended on Carson City. The mountains to the west are not even visible at this point because of all of the fire that's burning in the hills west of the town. Now, this fire has been devastating not only for homeowners and residents, but for firefighters who early on appeared to be making some headway. But they fell victim to high winds, erratic fire behavior, and steep terrain. Chief photographer Jeff Deitch and I were side with firefighting crews when we saw firsthand how quickly the fire puts lives in its relentless path. We were in Kings Canyon shortly after 1 p.m. This is what we saw. Come on! I'm fine. We're fine.
Go, Vic. I want you to go that way. I'm good.
If I hit a tree, am I in trouble?
No, just go. Not a girl. You got it. Go. Stop.
Jeff?
Doing all right.
Jeff?
You're doing all right, huh?
Jeff,
You're
babe.
doing good.
Jeff.
You're doing good, babe.
Jeff.
Good job. Good job. Keep going. You're doing fine. Good job. Way to go.
The fire burning in and among houses in the canyon suddenly switched direction, fueled by erratic winds, and pushed right into more than a dozen fire engines, ambulances, and private cars. Behind us, the fire continued to rage, literally chasing hundreds of firefighters down the hill, running for their lives. Fire officials pulled everyone from the scene for their own safety.
As far as behavior goes, fire behavior is very active right now, as you see behind me. And currently, firefighters are dealing with very steep terrain. Also, the fire was reported early as spotting.
By mid-afternoon, 2 firefighters had suffered serious injuries, one a broken leg, another an injured back, but no lives had been lost. Hundreds converged on the scene from Reno, Carson City, Sparks, Lyon County, Nevada Division of Forestry, and the U.S. Forest Service.
Yeah, 20, just keep walking down the road as long as you're safe.
But when they arrived, their worst fears were realized. Winds were blowing hard, pushing the fire even faster into populated areas. It's also burning in the Toyabe National Forest. And with early estimates of burned acres at 300 plus, authorities conceded hundreds more have been charred. But rather than go back into the carnage to assess the damage, it's their exhausted efforts on the people and homes of Carson City.
Good job. Good job.
Okay, the toll so far, 500 acres burned, 5 homes destroyed, 300 structures now threatened by the waterfall fire. At this point, too, firefighters are telling us they know that this fire was human-caused. In other words, they have ruled out lightning. It started at 3 o'clock this morning in the mountains just west of Carson City. The toll also so far, 2 injured firefighters, 2 fire trucks burned, 1 ambulance burned, and at least 1 private car burned. Several other people have been injured in the course of this fire. Reporting live from Carson City, I'm Victoria Campbell. Joe, back to you.
Thank you, Vicki. We're glad